No BS, no fluff, AGBA stock analysis and price predictions. Is AGBA Group Holding Limited stock a buy? Watch this short video till the end to find out. I'm looking for buys, so it's a buy for me, but not right now. A few things need to happen. Context, using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins 2023, and I'm telling you all of it because it is the truth and I've documented everything. So why? I need to wait for stuff to happen before I just buy. Because buying right off the bat is not going to yield me the best risk to reward, which in terms, I just need to wait a little bit and see if the rules are met, so then I can just strike and have the best risk to reward. But the case is, I want to see the price come back down into this gray zone, which is from 320 to like 290. And when it does that, I want to see a double break and then I'm bullish. So if it doesn't give me the rules, my desired rules, I'm not going to buy. Simple. If you want to learn my strategy for free, check the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next one.